290. I'm AccuWeather meteorologist Bill Degger on Chicago's weather station, News Radio 780 and 105.9 FM.
WBDM News Time 10:16 from the Wheel and Sprocket Sports Desk. Here's Rick Gregg.
The professor returns to class on Tuesday. Kyle Hendricks will take his first turn in the Cub rotation in 2.5 weeks. When the team visits Pittsburgh then, Hendricks has been sidelined with shoulder inflammation, but through a side session without difficulty yesterday and is apparently ready. Adbert Alzolay will go tomorrow, then Hendricks, then UNQ. Today, it's John Lester in the series finale in Cincinnati, and an early start. 12:10 first pitch on 670 the score Eastern time. Righty, it's 12:10 Central, but of course the Cubs are on Eastern time. Righty Anthony DeSclafani counters for the Reds, and Javi Baez is getting the day off. It's a planned rest, not an injury. Addison Russell at shortstop, Daniel Descalso at second, David Moody at third, Chris Bryant at right, with Wilson Contreras behind the plate. Baez with a grand slam home run that provided most of the margin of victory in yesterday's 6-0 win. One more Cub note, Carl Edwards to start a rehab assignment in Iowa on Monday. Lucas Giolito climbs the hill for the White Sox in their series finale with Minnesota, and if anything was learned in yesterday's 10-3 loss, it's that the Sox need a good start to get past the Central leading Twins, because Rick Renteria's bullpen gave up 6 runs in the final 3 innings.
Our relief corps tried to do the best they could to try to minimize everything. It didn't go as well as we would have wanted to kind of keep us in the ballgame, but all things being equal, today was one of those days.
Here comes Giolito, then the likely all-star and Sox first half Cy Young, who's taken a loss and a no decision his last time 2 times out, but remains 10-2 with a sub-3 ERA. He will find out if he does get that all-star nod this afternoon, so will James McCann and any other contenders from either side of town. Boston leads the Yankees in London. It's 4-2. They're in the 3rd inning. Those 2 teams combined for a plethora of runs and a near record-long game yesterday in the first game ever played in Europe. NBA free agency begins tonight. Former Bull Nico Mirotic reportedly leaving the